Again.
Good morning, students. I welcome back to our online classes for final year students, base MSTCS, MPCS and MCCS students. The last class discussing on the technology undergoing on this first unit is HTML introduction. HTML, everybody knows, hypertext markup language, is mainly used for the creating of the web pages or designing of the web pages. The purpose of using HTML, hypertext markup language, and where you can write the HTML content, we are using any one of the text editor, that it's like Notepad, WordPad, front page, etc. By default goes to Windows operating system. Okay, it provides Microsoft its Notepad, and similarly next HTML another point is where you can see the output content. You are using any one of the web browsers. It's like Netscape Navigator, Internet Explorer, Safari, and Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. And next one more point is HTML is a tag language. What do you mean by HTML is a tag language? What do you mean by tag language? Tag language means if you can write anything between less than symbol and greater than symbol, and left angle and right angle. In between, if you can write less than as well as greater than, less than as well as greater than, that's known as HTML. That's known as HTML is a tag. Tag means if you can write angle brackets, left angle, right angle, or less than symbol and greater than. In between, if you can write anything, that is known as tag language. And HTML is not a case sensitive. Hypertext markup language is not a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language is not a case sensitive language. What do you mean by case sensitive language? If you can write the HTML content, we are using either capital letters or small letters. For example, if you are going to programming language, C language, if you can write the program using case sensitive, that means only if you can write small letters. But if not a case sensitive means HTML is having the combination of capital letters and small letters, either totally capital or totally small, or mixing of the capital and small. That's not a case sensitive language. And the extension of the files, the HTML's extension is .html. HTML programs extension is filename .html. Filename .html. Here means, and every HTML program is a filename.html. Extension is filename as a wish, and HTML is not a case sensitive. And the previous version is discussing on the history of the HTML. Berners-Lee is its author of the creation of the HTML programs. Next, structure of HTML. How to write a program in HTML. What is the structure? It's like C language structure is there, C++ structure is there, Java structure is there. Similarly, if you can write the content of the markup language, if you can write content of the some structure will be there. Structure will be there. What is the structure? HTML structure. HTML structure. HTML head, title. Next, This is close backslash close head. And if you can write title and next body, actual content of this means system is body. Next body close. If you can write anything here, not only capital letters, as you wish, if you can write small case letters and capital letters, body, and next one is close. Close means backslash of this one. HTML is begin and HTML is end. Body is begin, body is end. Head is begin and head is end. And title is mentioned here. Title is title of the page. Title of the page. Written here and title. As you wish, you can besides of this one or next line. Okay, as you wish, no problem. No problem at all. The syntax of this HTML. Title. T-A-T-L-E. Next, head is begin and end close. Body means the HTML tags that declare your page. The HTML tags, the hypertext markup language tags that define your page go here. Next body close. Next HTML close. HTML head, title, head, body close, HTML close. Next, what do you mean by here? Title means HTML is nothing but the tag identifies. HTML is a hypertext markup language. Every structure of HTML means beginning is HTML and ending is HTML close. This mandatory is having is there, body is there, okay na? And title is optional tag and head is there. Next, the tag identifies this tag. This tag identifies the document as an HTML document on HTML document. An HTML document begins with HTML and end with /HTML. Okay, this is the tag. HTML tag identifies the document and HTML document, and HTML documents begins with this one and closing with /HTML. Next, head. Head means the head contains heading of the pages. Heading of the pages. It's like the head tag contained contain information about the document, including this title, the head tag contains information about the document, including the title and document description. and document description. This is head tag. Next, title means the title of this one. Title means the title tag is a content the document and title of the pages. Title, heading of the program, heading of the program. The tag contains, this tag contains this tag contains the document title, the title specified include title tag appears in the browser What do you mean by the tag contains the document title and the title specified include title tag. Where you can show you this, for example, if you can showing on this browser bar title bar will be showing on the appear of the content. Here mentioned when you have mentioned this is showing on this. It's like going on the status bar, title bar, menu bar, up to above the menu bar of the browsers. It will be showing. That's called title, importance. Next, title goes. Body means the actual contenting of the program. The body tag, elements of all the tags. The body tag contains encloses all the tags. The body tag encloses all the tags, attributes, encloses all the attributes and information to be displayed in web page. Displayed in web page. The body tag is entered below the closing tag and above the body tag is entered below the closing tag and above the closing tag. That means and above the HTML tag. And the body below the closing tag of head. Closing tag of the head and closing is below the and above the closing tag of HTML. Closing tag of the HTML. This is nothing but its structure means HTML head, title, head close, body, body close, and HTML close. This is specific structure of HTML. What do you mean by structure of HTML means hypertext markup language is mainly used for creating of the web pages, where you can write this HTML means you are using any one of the browsers, any one of the text editors like notepads and as well as and showing on the output is any one of the browsers. Actual content of HTML means HTML as well as HTML close, head and head close. Here this is having a title of the page written here, and body means actual content of the program, actual content of the HTML structures. Next is having a body is having another attributes are there. Body BG colors are there. Body background colors, showing on colors, background colors, foreground colors, where you can show particulars. That purpose of using body here, body BG color and HTML. The body tag encloses all the tags, attributes and information to be displayed in the web page. Where you can write in here, it is displaying on the particular browser, or attributes information to be displayed on the web page. The body tag is entered below the closing tag of head, and closing is above the closing tag of the HTML. This is the structure. And what do you mean by written attachments are there? Clear after that? HTML. And one more overview of HTML. Hypertext markup language mainly used for creating of the web pages. The purpose of using HTML. HTML is not a case sensitive language. Not a case sensitive language. Because of if you can write the contents, tags are we are using either capital letters as well as small case letters. Capital letters as well as small case letters. And tag means if you can write in between less than symbol and greater than symbol, that is known as a tag. And every HTML starts with HTML tag and end with closing tag, and every HTML student must having a body tag is there, and every HTML program is having an extension is filename.html, filename dot as the wish you can filename dot extension HTML, filename.html, and having this and body tag is actual content of the web page, it is displaying on the information of the web browsers. Clear sir? Next, what you know here, the head tag contains information about the document, including this title and document description. The tag identifies the document of an HTML document, and HTML document begins with this one and HTML tag and ends with /HTML tag. /HTML tag. Next, title of the page written here, as if this information displaying on the any one of the browsers bar, this bar, title bar. In the browser title bar, browser means you can next Internet Explorer browser and Google Chrome browser, Escape Navigate browser, or any one of these browsers. It information will be displayed. And head is the heading of the program. Heading of, if we have mentioned heading of this one, I mentioned head and head closed. Title is in between head and head close. Next, body and body close. If you can write any tags in HTML, all HTML tags will be implementation. Next, coming to topic is what are the tags available in HTML, formatting tags. Next, body close and HTML close. The extension of the file is .html. Just where you can write the file here and using any one of the text editor. Just the same as you can write the program. And next, where you can open the files any one of the browser implementations. According to structure, we are writing one example program. We are writing on the one example program. Simple example, HTML program. HTML as if you can write small case letters and capital case letters. We previously explained capital, but HTML is not a case sensitive, but that's why you are writing small case. Next, header. Example program on HTML. Example program on HTML. Next, title flows. Title flows. Example program on HTML. Next, head flows. Next, if you can write body. Simple hi, welcome. Hi, welcome to HTML. Good morning, everybody. Body close. Good morning, everybody. Body close. Next, HTML close. Head one, head close, title, body and body close. HTML and HTML close. Good morning to everybody. Good morning to all. Good morning, everybody. Or good morning to all. Simply this message, after where you can write this program, we are going to the any notepad or text editor. The text editor will open. Just you can write as is the typing of this program. HTML, head, title. As you wish, you can write the title of the program. Exam program HTML. Next, head close. Heading up close. Next, body. Next, content of where you can display the information is the browser information. As you wish, you can write anything of information. Content of the body. Good morning, everybody, or good morning to all. Next, body close. Next, HTML close. Next, what to do? Save the file. Go to the file menu. You can choose save option. Okay, na? Next, system will be asked. By default, go to the My Documents. Otherwise, you choose the location. Otherwise, location will be either going on C drive or D drive or F drive. As you wish, you can creating your own folder. Then, what to do? File name .html. Giving the file name. Here means file name means example .html. Then you can press enter. Save the file. Where you can save the file, you are choosing of the folder. Automatically by default go to the My Documents. Otherwise, you can locate the particular drive. File name is example.html. The file is closed. Next, again is the open the Internet Explorer. Go to the start menu and you choose the Internet Explorer or Home or any, and go to the file menu. It's open and browse this file. Where you can save the file means particular so and so. C documents and where you can locate it in file name is example.html. It's browse. Then browser will be open. Browser will be open. In particular information will be displayed in the browser. Good morning to all. Good morning to all. This is simple program of HTML. Simple program. The coming to topic is so many tags, so many alignments, so many attributes available on the different tags are there. HTML attributes. These different types of tags will be available. Example.html. Thereafter that, where you can locate it HTML, the file name is .html. Where you can save, just your save is you are choosing of the My Document or choosing of the particular folders are there. And HTML head, title, head close, body close, HTML. And where you can open the file, you are using any one of the browser. System provides Internet Explorer, otherwise Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Here, next coming to topic is body is having another attributes are there. Body tag is having attributes. For example, if you want information, good morning to all will be displayed. very lengthy or very big size or different colors. That will be implementations is having a body tag. These are the tags, HTML tag. Why? Because tag means why I call the tag. If you can write less than symbol, greater than symbol, in between we can write HTML is a tag, head is a tag, title is a tag, head close is a tag, backslash head. Body is also tag, body close is also tag, HTML close is a tag. These are tags. Tags means if you can write them less than symbol and greater than symbol. Clear after that? The structure means as is structure HTML. Next head in between head and close we are writing of the title. This body and HTML close. This is structure of HTML. This is the content of the document, beginning of the program, and this is the closing of the program. This is the heading means if you can write any headings, head one, okay. Heading of the browser. This will be showing example program and HTML will be showing on the browser title bar. Browser title bar. And close. Body is just good one. Body is a normal text message will be displaying on the web browser. For example, if you want to come into the next room, tomorrow class is having explained body attributes or tag attributes. Tag attributes. Body is having a different size. Good morning to all is displaying on very big size, very different types of colors. Very background color will be there. Background by do not mention any background color. By default, browser will be displaying on the white color background. It's like screen of the board white color. If you are showing on this particulars colors, so and so, this one colors. But we are not mentioned. Otherwise, simply say that good morning to all. Then simple normal text will be displayed. Clear enough, you understand? And file name is example.html. Where you can locate it? For example, go to the notepad. In particular browser is there. Text editor and choose the browser file name where you can locate it. In my documents, and particular file name is example.html. And clicking on this one, it will be showing on the browser will be displaying on the information. Clear after that? This is a simple program, example program. Very simple program in HTML. Next one, implementation of the formatting tags are there. Formatting text tag different formats. For example, if you want a good one to all use big letters, different styles. That purpose of using different types, you are using the good one to all is having tags. That is known as formatting tags. Tomorrow module with tag and different formatting tags in HTML. I will explain to different available on the tags. This is the structure of an HTML, example program of HTML. Next, history of HTML is a last class we discussed. Who invented HTML? Berners-Lee around this time of first version of the HTML. What is the latest version of the HTMLs? Where you can run on the HTMLs. HTMLs means is running on the overall internet. What is browser? Can you give examples of browser names? What is text editors? Can you give examples of text editors? It's like browsers are different already. It's told Google Chrome is a product of Google, and Netscape Navigator is a product of Sun Systems Oracle. Safari is a product of Apple. Firefox is a product of Mozilla. But by default, going on this Internet Explorer, Chrome or Mozilla, it's available. Okay. This session will be stopped. Tomorrow we will continue on the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.